All right, let's say somebody stopped you on the street and said they wanted to call, they're in quick sort, and they got this partition and they got a pivot value over here, number 4 is pivot value, and they need to know what happens when you call a partition on this array. So this is what happens. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a comparison between 4 and 2, and if the number at j is less than the number at r, which is 2 is less than 4, then we're going to swap I plus 1 and j, and we're going to end up incrementing I. So we're just end up swapping 2 with itself. So we increment I. That's going to be it for the loop there. So we're going to increment j also. We got 2, 8, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 4. Okay, and what we need to know is that where is the partition here? So we got two partitions, a large number partition and a small number partition. It's going to be right here. It's the division point. There's nothing in the large number partition. I should have drew that down here. Right there. So there's the small number partition. Here's the large number partition. There's nothing in it. Okay. So now we're going to do a comparison. 8 and 4. 8 is not less than 4, so we're just going to increment j. I. We got 2, 8, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 4. Here's the partition for the larger numbers here. Here's the partition for the smaller numbers. Okay, now we'll do another comparison. 7 and 4. No, 7 is not less than 4, so just increment j. So we got I is going to say where it is. 2, 8, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 4. Nice handwriting. There we go. All right, so now we're going to do another comparison. J is less than 4. Oh, gee whiz. So now we're going to swap j with I plus 1. Swap j with I plus 1. And then we're going to increment j, and I is going to get incremented also here. Let's increment these guys. So now we're here. We got a 7 here, a 2 here, 3, 5, 6, 4. Okay, so now we're going to do another comparison. J and R. 3 is less than 4, so we're going to swap j with I plus 1. I plus 1 is 7 here. So let's swap those guys, 3 and 7. 2, 1, 8, 5, 6, 4. And then I got brought up another one. J got incremented. There's our partitions there. Remember that this is a partition, this is a partition, this is, we haven't done that yet. That's just to be worked on. And that's what we're doing here. 5 and 4 comparison, nothing happening there. It's not less than 4, so we're just going to increment j. J is going to be here. Okay, there we go. I stays the same. One more time here. 6 and 4 get compared to each other. No, not the same. Not less than 4. 8, 7, 5. What are we going to do? We're going to increment j. So there we go. Incremented j. J is now equal to r. So when that happens, we have to swap j with I plus 1. I is right there. I plus 1 is 8. So we're going to swap j with, let's move this up a little bit, 2, 1, 3. Swapping 4, 7, 5, 6, 8. And since we move I up 2 here, we're going to end up with right there. That's it. That's what happens. That's the end of the part called a partition. That's what you have in it. This is just like the example that's in the textbook on page like 272 or something like that. So there you go.